म्हयन्याच्या अखेर मेरेन सरकार सगळ्या 108 ॲम्ब्युलन्सींक GPS सिस्टम बसयतले. तशेंच ॲप तयार करून 108 सर्व्हिसीक लिंक करतले. ह्या ॲपाची सुविधा घेतले उपरांत लोकांक मोबायला वेल्यान 108 गाड्यांची स्पीड आनी हेर म्हायती मेळटली, अशी माहिती भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांणी दिल्या. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Whatever necessary money was required for 108, that money has been sanctioned by the Chief Minister of Goa, Mr. Manohar Parrikar, on top priority, and that has been already informed to 108. So we are now working in streamlining the services of 108. And not only that, last time we just touched the subject. 108 now, by end of this month, will have GPS enabled systems, so that we will know exactly at what speed, the type of software that we are installing. You'll know where the ambulance is, what speed the ambulance is going, which cluster of hospital it has bypassed. Each and every detail will be on a dashboard in the head office of 108, and not on
from this month,
by end of this month. And most important is that we are also trying to come out with an app which you can have on your phone, so every person will know exactly where the ambulance is moving, what it is doing. So that will take another month for us, so that application will be available and it will be linked to the 108. So anybody on their phone can exactly know the movement of the ambulance, type of ambulance available, where, which are the hospitals you can go to. All these details we want to give it to the public. So this is all what we have done as of now. It is very important for us to strengthen Goa Medical College. And my work over the next 2-3 months is going to strengthen the Goa Medical College. That's why on top priority, I sat yesterday till late to get these posts redesignation, which were pending for more than 5 years. And we have done it retrospective, and this will benefit the students who have completed their post-graduation and all. In order they want to do further studies and other things, they can easily do it, and they can get an opportunity to work. And all this will benefit the students of Goa Medical College. Yeah. And another on the road. And another, like I had said last time, 10 ambulances are already ready. Equipment is being fitted. And apart from them, 6 more ambulances have been approved by NRHM. So about 16 ambulances and 20 bikes we are looking at immediately in the near future. Chief Minister has already directed me to go for a hospital management system. We are looking at agencies. We will go for detailed, seeing who has got vast experience. In consultation with Honorable Chief Minister, we will be putting a hospital management system not only for Goa Medical College but also for DHS and PHCs interconnected. And also it will help in putting accountability in place. Everything will be online, and this thing we are working on. I am working very closely with the Honorable Chief Minister, and under his guidance we will come up with a plan in the next month or so.